Theorem number 4 of circle theorems. What does it state? The angle subtended means made. The angle made by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Now if you have an arc, this is a part of the circumference, so this is an arc AB in red color, and O is the center. So this arc is making an angle at the center. That angle is AOB. As per this theorem, the angle made at the center AOB will be double, which means 2 times then the angle made at any point, any other point. Now this is any other point on the circle. So the angle made at C, that is ACB. As per theorem, angle AOB will be double the angle ACB. In short form, just remember, angle made at center is double. Let us see an interactive made by GeoGebra for this theorem. Angle subtended by an arc or a chord. Now these 2 points, point C and D in this example. So this is my arc CD. This arc CD, or even this chord CD, if I join the 2 points, it becomes a chord. The angle subtended or made by this arc or this chord at the center is in this case point A. The angle made is CAD, is double than the angle made at any other point. Any other point is E. So you see this angle at the center is 116.4 degree, and this is double than the other angle. If I change the chord, if I change this point, see, the angle at the center will always be double the angle. For example, over here, it is 145.58, whereas the angle at other point is 72.79. It is, center is 2 times double. So this is our theorem 4. And in short form, you can remember, angle made at center is double. This is how you are going to remember it.